Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. Given triangle ABC, drop AD perpendicular to BC with D on BC. Given that angle DAB equals theta, angle CAD equals 4 theta, BD equals 7, DC equals 55, and AD equals X. The goal is to find X. And now for the solution. From A, draw a line meeting DC at P such that AP bisects angle CAD. Let DP equals N, so PC equals 55 minus N. By Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ADC, AC square equals AD square plus DC square, or AC square equals X square plus 55 square. Therefore, AC square equals X square plus 3025. Taking the square root, we have AC equals square root X square plus 3025. Similarly, by Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ADP, AP square equals AD square plus DP square, or AP square equals X square plus N square. Therefore, AP equals square root X square plus N square. Next, consider triangle ADC and angle bisector AP. Since angle PAD equals angle CAP equals 2 theta, let us apply the angle bisector theorem. Given a triangle with these dimensions, the theorem tells us that A over B equals P over Q. Applying the angle bisector theorem, we have square root x squared plus 3025 over x equals 55 minus n over n. Cross multiplying gives n times square root x squared plus 3025 equals 55x minus nx. Collect the terms with n and factor to get n times square root x squared plus 3025 plus x equals 55x. Therefore, n equals 55x over square root x squared plus 3025 plus x. Returning to the diagram, from A, draw a line meeting DC at Q such that AQ bisects angle PAD. Now, consider triangles ADB and ADQ and segment QP. We claim that triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADQ. Since angle BAD equals angle QAD equals theta, AD is common to both triangles, and angle ADB equals angle ADQ equals 90 degrees. The two triangles are congruent by ASA. Since DB and DQ are corresponding sides in congruent triangles, we have DQ equals DB equals 7. Therefore, QP equals n minus 7. Finally, consider triangle ADP and angle bisector AQ. Applying the angle bisector theorem, we have square root x squared plus n squared over x equals n minus 7 over 7. Cross multiplying gives 7 times square root x squared plus n squared equals nx minus 7x. Square both sides to obtain 49x squared plus 49n squared equals n squared x squared minus 14nx squared plus 49x squared. 49x squared cancels and we get 49n squared equals n squared x squared minus 14nx squared. Divide both sides by n to obtain 49n equals nx squared minus 14x squared. Substituting the expression for n gives 2695x over square root x squared plus 3025 plus x equals 55x cubed over square root x squared plus 3025 plus x minus 14x squared. Multiply both sides by square root x squared plus 3025 plus x over x to obtain 2695 equals 55x squared minus 14x times square root x squared plus 3025 minus 14x squared. After isolating the radical, we have 14x times square root x squared plus 3025 equals 41x squared minus 2695. Square again to get 196 x to the power 4 plus 592,900 x squared equals 1,681 x to the power 4 minus 220,990 x squared plus 7,263,025. This simplifies to the equation 27 x to the power 4 minus 14,798 x squared plus 132,055 equals 0. Applying the quadratic formula with a equals 27, b equals minus 14,798, and c equals 132,055 gives two possible solutions. X squared equals 539 or x squared equals 245 over 27, which implies x equals 7 square root 11 or x equals 7 square root 15 over 9. To pick the correct value of x, let us return to the diagram. Since angle ADC equals 90 degrees, we must have 4 theta is less than 90 degrees. Also, note that tangent theta equals 7 over x. If x equals 7 square root 15 over 9, tangent theta equals 9 over square root 15. So, theta equals 66.7 degrees and 4 theta equals 266.8 degrees, which is greater than 90 degrees. Therefore, we reject x equals 7 square root 15 over 9. If x equals 7 square root 11, tangent theta equals 1 over square root 11. So, theta equals 16.8 degrees and 4 theta equals 67.2 degrees, which is less than 90 degrees. Therefore, x equals 7 square root 11 is the answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.